setup, and also collaborative workspace and test vehicle, and our engineer as a mentor. And most importantly, we share the fruit of collaboration with a startup partner as an equal partner. We don't bind their hands at all. So again, we really look forward to working with more Israeli startups here. So let me introduce Tal Bakish, the CEO of VocalZoom, and he's going to explain his technology, also his journey with Honda.
Thank you. Thank you, Nick. So like you heard before in the 10 trends that Lali and Ilan presented, voice is going to become the main user interface in the near future between humans and machines. And you're going to be able to operate your laptops, your smartphones, your robots at home with your voice, and also you're going to be able to talk to your cars. Actually, having a buddy in the car that talks with you helps you with anything you need. And VocalZoom is going to be the core technology, that building block that is required to make that work. VocalZoom developed a very small, unique laser microphone that can accurately measure your voice, and this way you can operate devices in a very noisy environment. Take for an example, using Siri on a motorcycle, or using voice control in a car with open windows and children in the background. VocalZoom is not just about voice control. VocalZoom will enable also biometric identification of the speaker. We'll be able to know exactly who the speaker is. And this is very important in order to monetize all the technologies that you see today in the market. Technologies like Siri in the smartphones, OnStar, speech recognition technologies in the cars. All of these infrastructures and technologies needs to be monetized, and VocalZoom will help that happen. In the automotive industry, car makers already decided that voice-controlled personal assistants are going to be a critical building block in their future revenues in mobility, in autonomous cars and connected cars. And VocalZoom is going to disrupt some of the business models that these car makers use in order to monetize that. In our collaboration with Honda, we were fortunate to have this connection done by OurCrowd with Honda Xcelerator. We've gained, I would say, mainly three things. The first thing is that for a small startup that makes a very small hardware component, it's very hard for us to bring the partners and the ecosystem required in order to show a large car maker how the full system looks like at the end of the day. And Honda Xcelerator was the first company, and we work with many automotive companies. Honda Xcelerator was the first company to take ownership and responsibility in building the ecosystem, bringing the partners into the project, and increasing the chances for success. The second major thing about working with Honda Xcelerator is that in order to get into the automotive industry, a small company like us needs a big brother that can take it hand by hand, design the product from the start, define the specifications, and take us all the way to a product that is meaningful for the car maker. And the last thing is the publicity and the public relations. Honda took us last month to the CES. We presented at the middle of their booth at CES, and I think the best way to describe that is that one of the investors who already know VocalZoom and came to the booth said, "Last year I saw VocalZoom at the Startup Pavilion. Now you're in the North Hall together with Honda. That says it all." So we like to thank very much Honda Xcelerator for that.